The blood spray planes can be found under SASSE Library Effects Gore. They can be dragged and dropped into your scene. Okay, once it loads, we can get a preview of the effect just by pressing play, and you can see it, the blood is shooting there. We can adjust the progress, so this will be the start, and then the blood flows, and then it's finished flowing from the start and it moves out to the end. Speed determines how fast this goes. And then we've got the scale of the blood and the color. So you can also use this for any sort of liquid, anything that has something sprung a leak. This works that.